told your friend you're not okay? And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the
guys, so I'll be hosting my nieces for around 3 days. So I have goodies here which I'm unwrapping with you guys. So let's see, we have courgettes here, oranges, ho. Actually they come, I don't know, using chips reloaded. Fries, is it fries or chips? However you call them. So you have these goodies. Yeah. I have carrots. Wow, there are so many. And then what else? The sherry. So you are going to remove this later.
Peas.
Yeah.
Peas.
Peas. These peas. Lettuce.
Minji.
Where are the
Hizo ndio minji.
hizi ni minji.
Nasema meshiri.
Anasema mishiri. Because kwa mind alikuwa aniletea mishiri. So this came from my sister. She asked me and I suggested this because they have plenty on their area. So yeah.
Early the next morning.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby, you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want.
Hi guys, good morning from wherever you're watching me. Good afternoon. So we just woke up and the girls, I'm preparing for them mandazi for breakfast. And this is what I'm doing. I'm preparing the dough, then we start cooking mandazi with Lisa here behind the camera. Say hi.
Hi.
Yeah, so yeah guys, so that's what we are doing today. We want them to eat mandazi and they can eat them like, these are kids, they like chewing. So this one will be good. So yeah. Itatosha. Utatoa.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for the...
We're almost done with the mandazis. Let me show you. Look at that, so good, so good. Ikiwa imesimama ama imenene kama ya TikTok.
My guy, you know how to edit.
Guys, we are preparing lunch. So lunch we are going to cook the fries. Yes, so that's what we are preparing here. So yeah.
Many hours later.
So guys, I'm taking a break because I haven't even sat down for a minute. I've been cooking and cooking. I need to make them a smoothie from here. I've marinated the chicken and I want to roast some fries and then potatoes, and then
Why stay here?
oh my god, look at her. So this is what I'm talking about. I don't want to watch them doing whatever they are doing. I'm just hiding in the bedroom a little because wow, I'm so exhausted already. And their noise, but I want her to have fun. Look at her, she has been doing makeup all the time, the whole time that is. So I see you later, guys. I'm just relaxing a bit. I'm back from my break. I want to make smoothie like I told you. Here are the ingredients I'm going to use. So I'm going to make a smoothie of milk, bananas, and avocado. So that's what I'm going to make for them. Right now it's 6 minutes to 5, so that will do, so that I can go shower.
Was pulling my leg.
Okay, tell her not to pull your leg. So that's what I'm going to make with.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear my name. Grasping.
Thank you. Welcome.
1 hour later.
So guys, we are cooking. Is it cooking or baking? We had nini inaitwa kumarinate yao kumali.
Guys, amesema mali.
So guys, we had marinated the chicken. So, and we wanted to cook with the oven for the first time, but we are a bit scared following the Google. Guys, that's our chicken. So let's see how it goes. Guys, we forgot to apply some oil, so we need to start once again. First timers. What is going on?
Lavana, she's not doing well.
Okay.
Kama unataka kusongesha mbele wewe unaweza unafanyaje?
Kusongesha.
Kusongesha mbele.
Tunaomba tupeleke hadi
hapo. Kwanza anza na nyingine. Unafinya. Hapo iko sawa.
Heras in head.
80.
Sini katikati.
After best thing wenda juu. So it will zima itself. Hapo iko sawa juu ilikuwa isha boil. You have to be sure. Let's wait. Pro. Guys, I'm eating our chicken. Look, and the fries. It's so late. Guys, imeturamba. But this is it, guys. I see you tomorrow.
Early the next morning.
Come inside the house. It's a little cold.
Why?
Because I want you to come inside.
I said I'm just sitting like this.
Like what? Ebu, come wear socks then. Hi guys, and good morning. So a few days, actually not a few, like the next morning. So guys, my nieces will be going back today, and I want to make them breakfast.
Not your cousins.
I said yes, they are your cousins, they are my nieces.
What is happening here?
So yeah, they'll be going. I want to make them breakfast so I can edit this video, and there's no light, so it's a bit dark in the kitchen. That's why I'm taking the video here. Yeah, the lights went yesterday and they haven't come back, but I'm sure in a minute they'll be back. So let's go. Guys, this is our situation. Oh, so
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way, yeah. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a strive.
so wait until it's not. So guys, rate my cooking and my hosting. I know I haven't put all the details in the video, but judge with whatever you have seen, guys. So yeah, so until my next video, stay tuned for more videos coming up. Bye.